And guys, so ang lakas makapera ba yung? Ayan. So first we have the Shopee Add to Cart icon club. Salamat Shopee all over. Shirt nila, ayan. So okay na okay yung shirt sa akin. Yung necklace. Ang flamboyant ng colors niya. A Shopee shades.
A whole new world we live in. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. Be the best that you can be.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Millennialmark here, smiling back at you for another video. And for today's video, today is Shopee 6/6 mid-year sale. So if you want to see more of that, just keep on watching. For me, Shopee sent me this PR package. I really love the design kasi it features the updated Shopee logo. Ayan. So buksan natin. Are you excited? So sa taas, meron tayong, of course, yung mga main events or main surprises sa Shopee. We have yung message of Shopee 2. So basahin lang natin na mabilis. Get groovy, Shopee bestie. So this Shopee 6/6 or 7/7 mid-year sale, we're bringing you cheaper deals, great offers, and good vibes. So to let the good times roll, here's a surprise package filled with awesome goodies that we hope you'll enjoy. So we'd love to see you rock our special package on your socials. So don't forget to tag us at Shopee_PH and use the hashtags Shopee 6/6 mid-year sale, hashtag Shopee 7/7 mid-year sale, and Shopee mid-year finds. We can see all of your posts. These hashtags doesn't apply to only me but for everyone kasi may mga giveaways si Shopee na binibigay pag nakita nila yung post mo. So, randomly mapipick ka nila. So, happy mid-year sale, Shopee bestie. Enjoy shopping and see you when you check out. So, this is your Shopee family. Yeah. And you can download Shopee, of course, sa Apple Store, Play Store, and Gallery. Yan, guys. Are you ready sa first package natin? So, open na natin. Alright. So, meron tayo, you have the Shopee Add to Cart icon clock. Ayan. It's really cute. Para siyang 3D clock na uso-uso ngayon. Tapos, pwede siya para may handle. Ayan. So, okay siya sa desk. Pwede ko siya ibigay sa, ate ko. Kasi, pwede siya sa mga desk clock. Really love the touch of Shopee Add to Cart. So, sobrang ganda nito. And guys, maraming clock sa Shopee. Be sure to check it out. Affiliate links on the description box below. Tapos, we have t-shirts. Yun! Ganda ng shirt nila, guys. O, tingnan nyo. So, sa shirt nila, we have, of course, Salamat Shopee with the Shopee Add to Cart icon. Sa likod, yan. It's really nice kasi, we have the Shopee Add to Cart pen. Tapos, merong Salamat Shopee all over. Tapos, we have the different things in summer. Gusto na yung ganito, yung sa front, minimal lang yung design. Tapos, sa likod yung marami. Yan. Para pwede siya bagayan. So, pwede siya suotin with the chino pants. Yan. So, for the sake of this video, magpapalit tayo. So, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So, okay na okay yung shirt sa akin. Bagay na bagay. Sakto lang yung large. Pero parang free size siya for everyone. Pero saktong-sakto lang tong shirt for me. Puting-puti I really love it. Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-bleach. So, yun. So, these are the first surprises ni Shopee for us. Next, of course, yung 66 deals. Yung 66 deals, sobrang okay nito. Especially if you want to buy some select items. Kung sobrang mahal, makukuha mo na lang siya for 66 pesos. So, cool. So, we have some necklace. Ang landi ng necklace. Ang flamboyant ng colors niya, pero it's cute. Especially sa summer, pwede siya suotin sa beach. For me, pwede ko naman siya suotin. Yan. Try nga natin. It has a lock para madali niyo lang siya suotin. Alright, sinasuot na natin yung first one. Ready pala siya sa guys, so hindi na masama. Let's open this 10% daily. Yan. So 10% daily voucher regardless kung promo day So, basta covered ng 66 to 77. Oh, cool! Shopee shades. Cute! Actually, ngayon ako nakita ng ganitong design ng shades or sunglasses. It's really cool though. Parang pwede siyang, alam mo yun, like pwede kang mag-stand out sa beach. Parang feel ko yung Shopee vibe. Ayan. Tamang-tama yung naka-board shorts ako. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ang cool. Alright. Good talaga si Shopee. Uy, na-excite ako. Kasi parang kinokompleta niya yung look ko as I go along. Pero yun, nakakatuwa. Free shipping, minimum zero spend. Alright. Right, so for the last package or for the last surprise ni Shopee, meron tayong Keep Calm and Shopee On. So instead of Keep Calm and Carry On, meron tayong ganito. Sobrang cute. So I really love all the surprises that Shopee has for us. So make sure to check out Shopee 66 to 77 mid-year sale. Ang dami pang surprises. And I also have my links in the description box below if you want any Shopee finds or Boodle finds. For sure, mag-e-enjoy kayo sa dami ng list ko. So yeah, that's basically it. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what's your favorite moment and subscribe to my channel. Always remember, smile while eating, traveling. Bye!
Jump a little